Welcome to GuideUp. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to delete previous resume on LinkedIn. It is a very simple step. For that, firstly, make sure you already have the application on your device. Now at this home page, at the top left, you can see your profile icon. Tap over there. At the bottom, you can see the option settings. Tap over there. Now at the settings, you can see the option data privacy. Tap over there. Now scroll down a bit. There you can see the option job seeking preferences, and below that you can see the option job application settings. Tap over there. Here you can see that your saved resumes and application data mode is on. So LinkedIn saves all the resumes, but if you don't want your previous resumes to be saved, then you can simply turn off the button. Now there at the downside you can see your resume, and just beside that you can see three dot icon. Tap over there. Now at the second you can see the option delete. All you have to do is tap on it. And you can now see that your resume has been deleted. And this is how you delete previous resume on LinkedIn application. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel GuideUp. Thank you.